In the starter program, we've got lower extremity work. Now this is vitally important if you want to improve your capacity to run, to jump, and you want to get full range of motion in your squatting and lunging, so that way you can get right over with that heel planted firmly on the ground. Just have better suspension and just shock absorption going through the chain, so you're not rattling your brain. Your lower back and your neck is kept safe for the rest of your life. So the basic starter is 30 seconds of straight leg calf raises using the wall, getting a good stretch every time you come down. You want to make sure your feet don't turn out, so you don't end up with duck feet doing it, that you're doing it square. Now in the warm-up drill, we do this way, and internally rotating. But with this, we're just going to keep it square to condition that. 25 reps is the goal in 30 seconds. So they're fairly fast, but when you start out, you might want to go nice and slow, get a good stretch. Remember, that's the standard you're working up towards. Then on the next 30-second beat, so using 30 seconds for each, you're going to go into the tib raises. Now with this, as you walk further from the wall, it's going to be harder. Close to the wall is a lot easier. So here you're going to come up nice and high and come down. Bring those toe tips right up and back, and then touch them down to the ground. So to make this one harder, you just walk further away from the wall. And with this one, you want to get up to 25 reps in that 30 seconds. Then we're going to go into the bent knee version. So here, just want to have those knees over the toes. Yeah, like that. You get a good stretch in the soleus muscle, the deeper calf muscle, coming up, coming down. Good stretch, good strengthening, right up on the ball of the feet, 25. In that 30 seconds, and you're going to come back on the wall and mirror that with another set of tib raises coming right up. And we do that for 2 rounds in this workout, so it's a 4-minute workout. And once you can comfortably get 25 of each of those, good form, and you're a decent distance from the wall, usually around 50 centimeters, then you want to start to progress and go into single leg versions. So single leg for the straight leg, coming up. That is going to take a lot longer to get through the single leg version of it, but you're going to get great conditioning. But first off, master the double leg before you progress. Get into it. I want to see video footage from the side, so just filming those, filming just a couple of reps of each, but once you're fatigued. So once you've done your workout and you're at the end, you want to see those fatiguing reps and what you do when you're under fatigue. So you want to keep that form all the way through even when you're really fatigued. Get it done. Ideally you get this done 3 times a week. So if you are doing the whole program just 2 days a week, then doing this an extra day will really give you a lot of benefit. It is only 4 minutes, but if you are doing a split program where you're doing the program broken into 2, so you might do the whole body strength, those two workouts one day, and then the bridge core, front back. Then day 2 would be the gymnastic strength, the calf work, and the side bridge work. So there'd be 2 days, and then that way every second day you can just flip that. So you're doing it every 48 hours if you wanted to train 6 days a week. Really convenient. You can do this whole program at home, so just get it done. See you soon.